Thank you, Greg. How was your break? Good? Yes, excellent. My name is Roy. I work as a product manager at Monobank, and with me is our brilliant product specialist, Summer. Monobank is a Norwegian fintech bank that's been operating for about 3 years, and we're now doing business in 6 countries. We're here to demo our white label credit card and payment platform that we're now launching to partners all over Europe, which means that by hooking our platform onto your existing card ledger, you can supercharge your credit card portfolio and quickly give your banking customers access to a very lovable banking experience, connecting your brand closer to your customers, building that loyalty and decreasing churn. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Did he actually say banking experience and lovable in the same sentence? I can assure you I did. So let's show him why.
Our solution is all about superior customer experience. It all starts with a super smooth onboarding. Once applied, decision-making is automated, and if granted, your customers will have instant access to use the credit. I've obviously had my card for a while. The first thing I see when I log in is all my transactions, and they're all shown in real time, and it's also very easy for me to see how much I've spent. I mentioned the instant access to credit. We issue a digital card that is ready for use immediately, which means that your customers don't have to wait for the physical card to arrive to start using the credit. This card is also especially developed for online transactions. To help reduce online fraud, it comes with dynamic CVV2 codes that must be generated in the app prior to every online transaction.
So, we've taken care of major security concerns, but in order to get your banking customers to really fall in love with this app, it also has to be easy to use. So let's show them some more.
Yeah, it is very easy. Since most of us use our phones to everything from online banking to online shopping, from the app you can easily just copy the card number and then paste it directly into the checkout field. So the solution is very simple, but we also want to give customers complete control. Before this trip to London, I used one of our newest functions to set up a budget. This function allows you to set a budget for any purpose. You just pick a name, set an amount, and once you start the meter, any transaction you do is automatically tagged with the name you set for the trip. And you can also just slide the bar at top to see how much you've spent. If you forget to start the meter, you can always go back and manually tag any transaction, just like this. And also, the tag function is available regardlessly if you have the meter function on or not. You can tag any transaction with whatever you like I did with work here. When you click on the tag, all transactions are filtered out. So these tags are cool, but they're not always enough. So we've also added the option to add receipts to any transaction. You can just click on the transaction, add receipt, take a photo, or use something that you already have.
Now imagine, would your banking customers ever want to switch banks if they kept all their important receipts in your app? They would never have to worry about any warranty issues ever again. But after using the app for years and storing all their important receipts in there, they probably won't remember where they bought all this stuff. So will it still help?
Yeah, as long as you just remember anything, because we also use optical character recognition, you can search for any text in the receipt. So I remember I bought an adapter the other day, and I added the receipt. And here it is.
Brilliant.
So, but sometimes we just want a simple overview over where we have used our card. So with our newest function, the geotagging, this is still in beta, but practically you can just click on the map, zoom in and zoom out to see how much you've spent in a certain area.
So, it's instant, it's highly secure, and very easy to use. And it's got heaps of addictive features, right? So, but really, if you want to build that loyalty, we also added an additional feature that focuses really on that.
That's right. We continuously work on developing features that will make it easier for the end customer, but we also want to reward the customers. We have a very flexible bonus module that we can use with different partners to create more loyal customers. When using our own Mono card, customers collect Mono bits, which they can easily redeem in the app. And for our co-brand partner, Widerøe, the largest regional airline in Norway, the customers collect air miles. So whatever your ideas regarding cashbacks or bonus programs are, Monobank can provide you with solutions you need.
So, what does this actually mean for you guys? Well, as I said earlier, with us as your banking partner, you can give your customers quickly access to a highly desirable user experience by using your own custom version of our white label credit card and payment platform. Now, we love to work together with you guys to offer this as a service on top of your existing system, allowing you to skip several years of development and jump straight into the lead of the fintech race. And what about the co-brand partners? Well, our solution is built to be flexible and adaptable, so that after we launch with a banking partner, we can, in a matter of weeks, launch with a new brand partner, just like our partner Videre. And come by our booth. You're now seeing just a couple of our features, and come by our booth after the session and try it out for yourselves. And we love to see how we can work together to really boost that credit card portfolio and give you lifelong customers. And since this is our first day, our first time at Finovate, we'd like to send a greeting back to our colleagues. So when I count to 3, you all can say, "MonoPay," right? So we'll send a greeting. All right. 1, 2, 3. MonoPay! Thank you very much.